In this guide, I'm gonna show you two methods you can get Jewels of Souls completely for free. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So the first thing you need to do is unlock this upgrade right here, which is the bag, and this will give you the bag. Then you need to craft this item that will unlock you temporary items, and after that you will have some dragon eggs for completing daily quests. So as you can see, I have 34 right now, and it has a very big chance to give you Jewels of Souls. I think you can get from 1 to 4 or 3, and you will probably get that reward once every 5 eggs or something like that. The chance is pretty high. In this case, I'm a little bit unlucky. See, I just got one right now. And that's it. You just need to keep opening dragon eggs and you will get them. That's the first method. And the other one, it's even easier and it doesn't have any requirements. So you need to go to the Jewels of Souls category and click the plus icon right here. Then scroll down and you will see this option to redeem a code. So you need to Google for Idle Slayer creator codes and enter the code right here, and it will give you from 10 to 20 jewels, I think. And in my case, I have redeemed the code already, but that's it. The codes will change from time to time, so just search for it on Google and redeem it. So that's how easy you can get Jewels of Souls for free on Idle Slayer. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.